Hello students, good evening. Today we will do exercise 3D. Let's start. Dividing a decimal by 10. Today is our first rule when we divide a decimal number by 10. So, on dividing a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the left by one place. Let's see with example. Question first, divide 131.6 by 10. So now I'm explaining rule by this question. Question is when we do divide by 10 with any decimal number, so we shifted the decimal. You can see there is a decimal after 1. So we shift the decimal by left place. Okay, in multiply we shift right place, and in divide we shift decimal by left place. And because of we dividing by 10, and in 10 there is a 10, that's why we shift the decimal point to the left by one place. Why we shift by one place? Because there is a 10, and which side? Left side, this left hand side. So now finally our answer is 13.16. We shift this decimal from here to here. So now decimal place is 13.16. Similarly, question number 2, 32.56 divided by 10. There also you can see there is a 10 by 10. That's why we shift this decimal to one place. So now our answer is 3.256. Other questions also similarly we will do. Let's see. Next rule, rule 2, on dividing a decimal by 100. When we divide any decimal number by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left. Which side? Left side. And how many places? By 2 places. Why 2 places? Because in 100, how many zeros? 2 0. That's why we shift 2 places. Let's see. Next question. Question number 2. Fourth, 0.3 by 100. You can see students, there is a only when you shift a left side, so there is a no digits. Then what to do? We insert the 0. How many numbers we need? That numbers we insert the zeros. Actually we want to shift decimal by 2 places. There is a one place only 10, so we insert 2 more 0. Then after we shift the decimal, so 1 and 2. So now our answer is 0.003. Shifting decimal point to the left by 2 places. Firstly we insert the 0 and shift the decimal by 2 places. Similarly we do fifth and sixth also. There is also no more zeros is there. So what to do? Firstly we insert the zeros, then after we shift the decimal by 2 places. So our answer is 0.0058. Similarly we will do another one also. Let's see rule third. On dividing a decimal by 1000, same, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 3 places. We shift decimal by 3 places and left side, because of in there is 30. Let's do another questions. Question number 3, divide 1286.5 by 1000. By 1000 we do, there is a 30, so we shift our this decimal by left side, this side, left hand side, and how many places? 3. So 1 2 3. It means we insert our decimal after 1. So finally our answer is 1.2865. Similarly we will do another one also. Second one, let's see, because of it there is a 30, so we shift our this decimal which side? Left side. And how many places? 1 2 3. So now finally our answer is 0.35416. We will do another questions also by same process. Let's see our next question. Question number 4. Divide 12 by 8. So here you can see we will do divide 12 by 8. So 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16, and 16 is a greater than 12. So how many times we do divide? One time. So because of 1 is less than 8, that's why we will not write below 8. Sorry, 8 is in below 1. We will write below 12. Okay, then we will subtract 12 from 12. We subtract 8. So we will get 4. Now students, this type of decimals divide you already do in previous classes. You can see now there is only 4 and there is 8. We cannot do divide because of 4 is less than 8. Then what to do? We insert decimal. Then after we insert 0. Okay. So 8 fives are 40. Our answer is 12 divided by 8 is equal to 1.5. Similarly, we will do one more question. 63 divided by 15. So 15 fours are 60. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. It's nothing. Then here also again we can see 3 is not divisible by 15 because 3 is less than 15. So we insert the decimal after 4 and we add 0. Then we continue our divide. 15 twos are 30. Okay. So here there is a rule, students. The rules to divide a decimal by a whole number. Our next rule, how do we divide? If we have one number in the decimal form and another number in the whole number form, then how we do divide? First, divide as in division of numbers ignoring the decimal point. First of all, you just ignore the decimals and simple division you just do divide. Then when you reach the 10th digit, it means when you reach the decimal, then what to do? Then place the decimal in the content. Then after in content you insert decimal. And one more important thing, beta, when the number of digits in the dividend is less, okay, which already did in previous question. When our dividend is less, then what to do? And then the division is not complete. Our still division is not complete. Then keep adding 0 at every step. Each and every step when your division is not over, you just each and every step you can insert 0 till the division is complete. As in example you can see, I show you that rules with example. 100.4 divided by 25. So first of all we know that 25 fours are 100. So simply whole numbers is divided by 4 times. Then now according to the rule, when we reached in the decimal place, it means 10th place, then in content we will insert decimal. So now because of our 100 is over, now we reached in the 10th place, so in content we insert decimal like this. Then since we know that 4 is not a multiple of 25, now finally what is left here? Here is left only 4, and 4 is a not multiple of 25 and 4 is a less than of 25 also. Then put 0. Okay, then we put 0. You can see here we put 0 till the division is complete. Then again 25 1s are 25, 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then again we put 0, then 25, 6 are 150. So its divide is fully completed. Let's see some questions. Question 5th, divide 43.2 by 6. So 43.2, firstly we do divide by 6. So 6 sevens are 42. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then now we reached in the decimal place, it means 10th place. So in content we add decimal, then after just write 2 and 6 2s are 12. Now simply our divide is completed, so no need to insert 0. Then let's see one more question, question number 12th. This is not decimal, this is a question symbol. 6.54, this is a decimal. 6.54 by 12. So 6.54 we do divide by 12. So from beginning you can see in whole number also we cannot do divide because of 6 is less than 12. Then how many times? 0 times we do divide. Then when we reached in the decimal place, it means tens place, so we insert in content decimal. Then after copy the 5. So 12 fives are 60. 5 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 4, we copy the 4, we write 4 below. Then 54. So 12 fours are 48. Then we this is a carry division in subtraction, so we subtract 14 by 8, so 6 is left. Then you can see there is only 6 and 6 is a less than 12. Then what to do? Then again we insert 1 0 and 12 fives are 60. So like this students, when you have the less numbers here, so then after the decimals you can insert the 0 when till your division is not over. So I hope so students you understand these all questions, and remaining questions for you do in your homework. Thank you.